Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little website right here called Opinion Champ, and maybe you stumbled upon it and you're wondering, can you really make money from just filling out surveys? Let's find out if this website is legit. How much can you really make, or is it a big waste of time? Okay. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link below, and I will share with you my favorite strategy. Okay. On this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. So let's check out Opinion Champ to find out whether you should be spending your time here or elsewhere to make money. Okay. Now, Opinion Champ is a survey website. It is based in the US, and it's only available to people living in the US, okay, and Canada, sorry. So two countries, US and Canada. If you're not based in US and Canada, this will not work for you, but don't worry, stick around. I'm still going to show you a way where you can fill out surveys from anywhere in the world, and I'm going to show you a very cool strategy to make even more money than surveys if you want at the end of this video, so stick around, okay? Now, Opinion Champ, very easy. If you want to join, you just click on here, join now. Remember, you must be, in the US or Canada, and it's a very, very simple platform. You'll see once you're logged in, they'll show you the amount of minutes that it takes to fill out a survey. It's between 5 minutes and 20 minutes. You're not going to qualify for every single survey. They don't have an infinite amount of surveys available, and generally they will pay pretty high, to be honest, okay, per survey, right? Between $1 to $3 for every survey that you fill out, but then there is a caveat, and I will tell you that in a second, okay? Now, they pay out through PayPal. So if you're not using PayPal or you're not okay with using PayPal, then Opinion Champ is not going to be a service that you can use, because that's the only way that they pay out. The threshold is $12.50. So you must make at least $12.50 in order for you to withdraw through Opinion Champ, and that can take a little bit of time, right? At least a few days, at least a week for you filling out surveys. But there is actually a bigger problem, and unfortunately there are some reports where people have said that they don't really pay out. Okay, so there are a couple of websites that I use to basically find out a little bit more about whether these websites are actually paying people out. That's a very, very big problem, right? Now, Trustpilot, anything under 4 stars is really bad. 88% 1-star reviews, even though it's not that many reviews, but people are basically come here to complain. All right, so while I'm sure some people are being paid, there are people that haven't been paid either. All right, so if you come down, look at this, doesn't pay. I finally earned enough to redeem a reward. I saw it that my payment was under review. When I asked when I could receive payment, Opinion Champ sent a laundry list of potential infractions without specifying. However, continued to send me survey links, making it clear that my opinions were wanted, but only for free. Avoid this panel. Okay, no payouts, no support. Been waiting since, and this is quite a long time ago. I sent 4 emails, no payout. Okay, never paid for completing a survey. This is a pure data mining scam. I earned $20 with Opinion Champ, and later tried to redeem the money, tried to log back in, and find out that my account does not exist anymore. So lots of little problems right there, right? This is another review website for surveys, okay? This is a survey police. This is Opinion Champ right here. And you can see that their ratings are really low, 1.1 stars out of 5. That's really bad, okay? Majority of them, 1-star reviews, okay? I finally earned enough to blah, blah, blah. I was not able to receive my reward. Okay. Blocked my account for no reason. Was trying to redeem points and it keeps bouncing back. A bunch of stuff, right? So a lot of them, basically were not able to withdraw. The people that have complained anyway, all right? So the question is do you want to be part of a panel that potentially has a lot of issues, or should you just join a panel that has 4 or 5 stars, that have very, very few complaints, and you probably won't have any problems with them? I have no doubt that Opinion Champ pays out, okay, for some people, but there are a lot of people that have also complained about it. And generally speaking, when you're filling out surveys, you shouldn't be dealing with a company that has problems paying out at all. If they have any issues paying out, you should not be working with them, because you don't want to waste your time. And this, survey filling is quite time consuming, right? You're spending a lot of time filling out surveys, and if they don't pay out, then that's a problem. They do pay out more than quite a lot of surveys, but unfortunately, if you're based in US and Canada, you have a lot of options for survey websites, so you shouldn't be working with a company that's not really going to be paying you anyway. So I would probably stay very, very far away from Opinion Champ because there are other options out there. Okay, now let me show you some of those options. This is a great website right here, surveypolice.com. Just come straight to the top online surveys, click on top rated paid surveys, and depending on your country, they will show you different surveys. For me, based in Malaysia, TGM Panel, Prime Opinion, and Ipsos iSay are very, very good. Okay, now the great news is I've reviewed all three of these websites and they are really, really good. All right, not just for my country, but for a lot of countries as well. They pay out. I mean, look at these ratings, 4 stars for TGM Panel. Prime Opinion is just under, it's like 3.9 stars. Very, very high for a survey website. So the question is would you rather work with a panel like this where you're guaranteed payment, or would you rather work with a company like this where some people will get paid, but some of the people don't get paid either, and you're just gonna have to deal with some crap which you don't really want to do anyway, right? So I would just work with surveypolice.com, work with surveys with the highest rating, just so that you understand. Most survey websites have a threshold of $5 to pay out. An average survey will pay between 20 cents and 50 cents per survey, and will take about 15 minutes to complete. Some surveys will pay a little bit more, right? But if you're spending a couple of hours a day on a survey website, expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $2 per day for 2 hours of work. So that's roughly about $30 to $60 a month. It's not that much money. It's a little bit of bonus income, but are you going to get rich filling out surveys? Absolutely not. Okay, now I do recommend that if you want to take the survey route, definitely join a few panels, right? Because having 5 or 10 panels is better than having one, because the problem with a lot of survey websites is they don't give you enough supply. They always run out of surveys. So if you have time but you don't have surveys, then you're not going to be making any money, okay? But if you want to do that, make sure you join a few panels, 5 to 10, and you'll hopefully get a lot of surveys to complete, and that way you can keep generating income. Even though it's not a lot of income, it's still free and it's global, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, and you don't need any special skills, which is really, really cool. So if you want to check it out, I probably would skip Opinion Champ, right? Ratings are too low, but definitely come to surveypolice.com and you can check out some of the better panels that you can join. All right. Now, if you're watching this right now, maybe you are looking for a way to generate income online. Maybe you're a beginner. Maybe you have no idea how to make money online. I've been doing this for a long time, almost 16 years. On this channel, I have reviewed over actually thousands of different ways to make money online. And out of the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? I have used one strategy to completely change my life. I used it to quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and I was doing very well in that job, and I work 100% from home. I think this is the best strategy for a beginner, someone who has never made any money online before. The potentials are really, really huge. So if you want to check it out, just click the link all the way at the bottom. I've got a free masterclass that will take you through that strategy step by step. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you on the next video review. Take care.